तो माय लवली पीपल, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। और आज की जो वीडियो है ना, दैट इज़ सुपर 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 स्पेशल फॉर मी बिकॉज दिस इज़ नॉट जस्ट एन अनबॉक्सिंग, this is an emotion. This is actually my birthday surprise gift and I am so excited. I finally got my hands on the MacBook M5 and this beautiful sky blue color. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, इसके साथ एक ना छोटी सी ट्रेजिडिक कॉमेडी स्टोरी भी है, सो वॉच till the end and see the funniest part. Are you ready? So this is brand new beautiful aesthetic MacBook got its first blessing from yellow curry stain. Yes, हल्दी वाली करी। लिटरली नया नया लिया और पहले ही दिन वेलकम हो गया किचन से। लाइक सीरियसली ऑलरेडी? But okay, now it's officially Indianized. Chalo, let's open it. Okay, let's start with the packaging. Apple packaging is always so clean and minimal. It's already giving that premium feel. I literally don't feel like opening it, but let's do it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Just look at this color. The sky blue is so aesthetic. I'm already obsessed. Oh wow, it's so lightweight and smooth. Apple unboxing is always holds the special place. This color is very soft, not too bright, not too dull, just perfect aesthetic wise. My old laptop was also in sky blue color, but Apple ka sky blue color is amazing. Inside the box we get charging cable, adapter. इसका charging cable जो है वो भी same हमें laptop के color में ही मिलता है. Everything is super clean, neatly packed, very minimal, very Apple vibe. Let's open it. That Apple startup screen, that display looks so crisp and bright. Keyboard is super clean. Everything looks so premium. कोई ऐसी point ही नहीं है जो मैं आपको बताऊं कि ये negative है. Honestly, this is not just a gadget for me. It's feel like a big upgrade. And since it's a birthday gift, it's even more special. Curry stain ho ya na ho, I still love it. Now I can finally edit better, faster and create more content for you guys. I usually shoot everything on my iPhone, but this is going to level up things. So expect more quality videos from now on. So yeah, this was my MacBook M5 Sky Blue unboxing, birthday surprise and curry disaster story. Let me know in the comments, how do you like this color, and also has something like this ever happened with you also? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video. Bye.